This is Swing Machine, SMC for Stock Market Caddy, the Swing Machine Plus. And I am bagging on at stockmarketcaddy.com. Today is Monday, October 17th at about 4:45, and we hope you are doing well. What a trader's market we have. It is phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Now, I had to get my teeth cleaned today, and the dentist said, "Don, how you doing in the stock market?" I said, "Doctor, beautiful." He goes, "You bastard." And I said, we're traders, doctor. We love the volatility." He goes, "I thought so." Folks, Swing Machine on an intraday basis. Let me just show you something. 5-minute interval, S&P futures. Well, let's back up a moment. Here, this is the S&P cash. S&P cash. Now, the daily went short 33 days ago. It has delivered to any one of our members who shorted the S&P cash, either with, well, you would have to do it with options, you could do it with futures maybe, but this is just S&P cash. So $277 is actually 277 points because you can't trade individual shares of the S&P cash. But if you had got a put option back on August 31st and ran it through the end of October, you're probably up about 30 something grand. And you would have been up a lot more, on Friday than especially with today's action. Now, I want to show you, here's the S&P futures on a 5-minute interval at 45 minutes after midnight last night, after everybody went to bed. It goes long, and it stayed long for 193 5-minute segments. And if you got up this morning and you didn't move and get on this, then, you were sitting out, or if you were trying to short it, but not our members. One mini contract, $4,325. The NQ, 50 minutes past midnight, almost $7,000. The Dow futures, $1,125, $800, not nearly as much. The Russell, 325. Actually, this is a little bit later. So this cycled in and out. This trade went off this afternoon at 325. There was one earlier as well. And then gold on a 5-minute basis, gold is short at 1240 today. A little surprised at that, but it is short, and that's up $1,000. Now you may be saying, "Well, Bagger, I don't want to trade intraday. I'm a swing trader." All right, let's do this. Let's change the VIX to a 1-hour time frame. And the VIX goes short at 6 a.m. this morning. What does that mean? That means volatility is coming in. That means the bears are getting ready to get walloped. Let's change the S&P to a 60-minute. I haven't seen this because I was getting my teeth cleaned. Check this out. So the VIX volatility goes short at 6 a.m. and the S&P on a 60-minute, 9 hours ago, goes short at 9 a.m. See how that works? $2,600. And it's still long. We have had 1-hour signals last for 2 weeks and go up tens of thousands of dollars. By the way, the Swing Machine has a lot more over here, and it does not use moving averages, MACD, stochastics, or the rest of that crap that come with the individual, programs. NASDAQ, going to change that to a 60-minute. For the swing trader, 8 hours ago at 10 a.m. within an hour, $1,400. How about the Dow? Let's see what that's up to on a 60-minute. 22 hours ago on the 16th at 8 p.m. That was last night, Sunday night, $2,400. And then how about the Russell? This is going to be a beauty because we're on this one. 60-minute That was 10 a.m. today, 545 bucks. And now gold. Let's look at gold on a 1 hour basis. Let's see how it's doing. On a 1 hour basis, it went short 3 hours ago and it's basically flat. But if you were trading swing machine on an hourly basis, let's not say that you shorted the VIX. You just used it as an indicator or a little confirmation, but you got a little heads up at 6 a.m. At 6 a.m., our members were saying, you know what? This market's going to go long and I'm going to wait. 2,600, 1,400, that's 3,000, that's 4,000, 6,000, somewhere between $6,000 and $7,000 on a mini contract just today. If you were trading 10 of them and you have those kinds of resources, you're looking at 60 or 70 grand. If you were trading micros, nothing wrong with that, you're looking at 600 or 700. I am Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. If you are getting this video and you're on a distribution list, I hope you like it. I hope you see it for what its intent is to inspire you to take control over this part of your life. If you are annoyed by it, just let us know. We won't send you the videos, no problem. Those of you that might be passing by on Twitter or on YouTube, if you like this video, give us a goose, give us a little like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe for free, and you'll be on not just our distribution list for these little videos, but our educational videos, our little seminars, and sometimes we do some live broadcasts, rather spontaneous, for a select group of folks. And if we have your email, we will invite you. Also, you are more than welcome to give me a call at 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. If you call me on any day, including weekends, including holidays, yep, I keep my phone with me, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on any day, I will take your call, unless I'm on the phone with someone else. If you want to call and you want me to pull up swing machine, and you say, you know something, I want to test out this guy. I want to test out that swing machine. I'm okay with that. Have your list of stocks ready. And what I'll do, we'll talk over the phone. We'll connect on Zoom live, and I'll plug in the trades that you've taken, and we'll plug in the interval of your choosing, and we'll compare what Swing Machine has done versus what you're doing on a spontaneous check. I'm happy to do that. Have a great day in the markets. Call anytime. We have been doing this a long time. We haven't been doing this for 6 months, 6 years. We have been doing this since the early 2000s. Swing Machine Plus is our flagship product, but we have over 70 now in building. You cannot cherry pick. No individual program is for sale, but if you become ultimately an annual member, you get them all. And you get the education on how to work them. If you're getting it done with whatever it is you're doing, then keep doing it. If you have gotten to the point where you don't even want to look at the market, you don't even want to open up your statement, you don't want to turn on CNBC, you don't want to hear any of it, you can certainly unsubscribe from us. I hope you don't feel that way about it, but if you do, you do. We don't want to aggravate anybody. But it's up to you to change. Susan and I made a change in the early 2000s and never looked back. Can we promise you an outcome? Can I promise you, just that, an outcome? No, I cannot. What I can promise you is that if you do come and chat with us, you will learn a lot, even from that one phone call. And from there, you will learn more and more and more. And we're going to challenge not maybe what you're thinking, but what you've been told. Because you've probably been told a lot of crap. The financial media is the original faux fake media. We've been calling it the faux media long before Donald Trump. Wall Street and Madison Avenue are one and the same. And they will together do everything they can to separate you from your cash. We're very unique. We're a mentoring site. And I promise you this, I will work as hard, harder than you in trying to make sure that you understand at least how we go about trading the markets, feel free to give us a shout. I wish you the best. Have a great week.